Hey everyone, Wynn here. And during summer reading, we're going to have some fun with science in a series of videos. For this video, we're going to explore a chemical reaction. Here we're going to mix 1/4 of a cup of baking soda and 2/3 of a cup of vinegar, and we're going to see what happens when we mix them. What happened here was the baking soda and the vinegar were reacting to each other and creating two separate chemicals, hence a chemical reaction. What if we used more or less of each ingredient? What if the cup that we were using was smaller or bigger? Would the reaction be the same? What other materials could we use to create another reaction like this? You give it a shot, with your parents' permission of course. And I'll see you next week with another video. And if you want to share your results down below, feel free, or create your own post when you try it at home. But use the hashtag MyFCPL when you do. And I'll see you next week. Keep on exploring.